Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you're all doing great. Today, I'm bringing you a very delicious and super easy recipe, Suji cake, also known as Semolina cake. This cake is soft, fluffy, and extremely tasty, and it's a favorite among kids. It's perfect for tea time, breakfast, or even as a light dessert in summers. If you like today's video, please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, and don't forget to like, share, and comment. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Ingredients preparation, 0:30 to 1:30. First of all, take 1 cup of sugar in a bowl. Now add 2 tablespoons of melted butter or ghee and 3 tablespoons of oil. Mix it well until the sugar starts dissolving slightly. Next, add 1 egg and whisk everything nicely until the mixture becomes smooth and creamy. Now add 1 teaspoon baking powder and 1 teaspoon baking soda. Mix again very well so that everything is properly combined. Adding suji and mixing, 1:30 to 2:30. Now it's time to add 1 cup of fine, well-sieved suji, semolina. Make sure the suji is clean and lump-free for the best texture. Mix gently and gradually until you get a smooth, thick batter. At this stage, add chopped almonds and mix again. This will give the cake a very rich taste. Mold and baking, 230 to 320. Now take a baking mold and grease it well with oil or butter. Pour the prepared batter into the mold and spread it evenly. Garnish the top with almond slices. Preheat your oven and bake the cake at 180 degrees Celsius 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 40 to 45 minutes. You can also bake it on low flame in a pot if you don't have an oven. Final touch and serving, 3:20 to 4 o'clock. Once the cake is perfectly baked, take it out and let it cool slightly. Now sprinkle desiccated coconut on top for extra flavor and beauty. Cut the cake into slices and serve it with tea or coffee. This cake is soft, moist, and absolutely delicious. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, share, and subscribe. See you in my next video. Allah.